Hello friends. Welcome to Portrait the World. I hope you have enjoyed my previous video from Finland. This video is a second part of my Finland trip. If you haven't watched my first video, please watch it. The link is given in description. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and follow my channel. We visited Santa Claus Village yesterday. And today we are planning to visit Snow Village. It is also called Snow Hotel or Ice Hotel. It is built using ice and snow. A must-visit place in Lapland. The Snow Village is located 170 kilometers away from Rovaniemi. The location to the Snow Village is given in the description. Now we are entering inside the magical Snow Village. The blue light ambience inside the hotel is very attractive. The shapes and statues are carved on ice and snow. Look, how beautiful it is. Can you believe that it is completely made up of snow and ice? Look at the ice slide. Let's have some fun. Wow, a snow train. Would you like to go for a ride? We are entering inside one of the bedrooms in the hotel. The rooms are very big and beautiful. Ooh. It's too cold. There are 12 snow bedrooms available to book in this hotel. I hope you enjoyed the Snow Village. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.